Did you start a trucking company recently? If so, there are hundreds of things you need to be aware of and stay on top of. But one major item that all new trucking companies need to know about and prepare for is their new entrant safety audit. As a property carrier operating in interstate commerce, you will go through a new entrant audit within the first 12 months of operating. On the other hand, if you are a passenger carrier, your audit could be in less than 4 months from the time you start operating. These audits are specifically designed to help carriers understand the requirements they need to follow to stay DOT compliant. The problem is that sometimes they don't happen until months or even a year after you get started. And by then, you may have already unknowingly broken rules that could lead to violations and fines. The audit could be carried out in several ways, including an on-site audit at your actual business, off-site at a waste stop or other location, or it could be remote off-site. Regardless of how the audit is done, you will need to provide all the necessary documentation by bringing it to the audit or uploading everything to an online portal. If you are struggling with roadside inspections or other issues, your audit might be flagged as a high priority to be done sooner. And even though the audit is meant to be a learning opportunity, the audit is pass or fail, and your company will receive violations if you aren't compliant. The FMCSA will reach out by phone or email, and it's extremely important that you stay on top of responding to them. Ignoring these messages won't do you any good and will most likely result in your business getting shut down. Typically, your new entrant safety audit will look at your driver qualification files, driver duty status, vehicle maintenance, accident register, controlled substances and alcohol, testing requirements, and more. Our team of DOT compliance specialists are here to help you prepare for that new entrant audit and can also help with avoiding future audits by keeping you DOT compliant year-round. Just ask about our DOT compliance programs. If you need help or have any questions, just call, email, or fill out the form below, and a member of the CNS team will be able to help.